Glastonbury Fields again as usual, getting in touch with me in the spirit. You listen to Nightingale, you know it makes sense.
It's like Christmas. You spend all year building up to it, and then you're like, God, it's Christmas Day.
Plump DJs are looking forward to Glastonbury this year, especially because we've got so many gigs lined up. Keep your ears peeled.
I'm looking forward to Glastonbury. You know, I think it's the best festival. It's just such a unique experience.
I'll just build this momentum, just carried by hundreds and thousands of people.
Hi, this is Ed from the Chemical Brothers.
Hi, you're listening to Emily Evis.
Everyone who goes there has a completely different weekend. It's not just, a stage in the middle of a field.
Everyone's down here, ready to get in, and then there's just this rush, the surge of people just kind of heading to find their spots.
You're with lots of other people, gives it something completely different from most other festivals.
Welcome to the next level, the next level.
And if it's your first time, then there's people sort of wandering around looking, sort of like thinking,
Not only are there great bands and great DJs playing on the big stages, but there are lots of little things going on, and you can find something that really connects to you if you look hard enough.
I've always wanted to play Glastonbury. I always wanted to go, but I don't know who's got left behind. So this year I'm going to make sure I'm on the bus and particularly Bengal.
My name was first inspired after a Glastonbury that resulted in us driving home starry-eyed and discovering a top-shelf magazine called Plumpers in the petrol station on the way back. The word plump stuck then, and we're still making music under that guise now, so thanks Glastonbury for that one.
It's a beautiful part of England, and there's something pretty nice about being there for the weekend.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and if you've got anything noxious in your pockets, give it to me, I'll have to confiscate it off you. Have fun.
Glastonbury 2005, Annie Nightingale, Radio
1. We're live on Radio 1, kicking off Glastonbury 2005. It's only Thursday. Well, really, only Thursday. I'm Annie Nightingale. We are going to have Aquasky. We're going to have Adam Freeland. We're going to have Soul of Man. And right now, give it up for JDS.
be free and not be judged. I know everything's gonna be okay.